Solar Conduit is especially designed for solar photovoltaic installations. We will introduce latest solar conduit products from several specs to help you know them better. At latest, we have solar corrugated conduit in gray and black, 20 to 63 millimeters, 6 sizes. For American countries which use inches, we have ENT for solar use, from ½ inch to 2½ inches. Heavy-duty rigid conduit, gray, 20 to 150 millimeters, and a Schedule 40 and 80 rigid solar conduit, ½ inch to 8 inches. Fittings such as sweat bands, couplings, adapters, junction boxes, and adaptable boxes, etc. The conduits and fittings are conform to AS and ZS 2053, UL, CE, and IEC standards, and pass the UL-94 flammability test with certified quality. Then what's special about solar PVC conduits compared to other common used PVC conduits? Why choose them? What are the requirements for them? Let's find out in the next video.